Hello and welcome to the first SCORE YPN Mixer of the year. This is going to be a great year for YPN and we're looking forward to seeing every one of you come to our events. Please check out our facebook.com/RUYPN page to find out our future events, and please enjoy yourself and check out this cool video.
We want to thank you all for coming out today to our first SCORE Mixer here at the Matrix. When you get a chance, log onto the computer, check out our Facebook page. We'd love to have you at our next event, which will be in March. It's going to be a speed mentoring, very fun event. Hope to see you there. Thanks for coming. Bye.